My dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Passionate. Today I would like to define and explain some important terms much used with relay setting or relay coordination like current setting, pickup current, plug setting multiplier PSM and time setting multiplier TMS. These terms will be required in our next videos also to explain relay setting or relay coordination. If the video is liked by you, please share and do subscribe to the channel for getting further notification of such videos on this channel. Now please watch the CT, current transformer, relay coil, trip coil, etc. of a protection system and construction details of an induction relay with connections like CT connection with relay, percentage setting bridge and plug and others that would be helpful during discussion on the subject. A protection relay works by continuously monitoring electrical parameters like voltage and current in a power system, and when these parameters deviate significantly from normal ranges, it issues a signal to trip a circuit breaker to effectively isolate the faulty section of the circuit and prevent further damage to the system. In the picture at the left hand side, suppose we have a transmission line protected with CT, circuit breaker and relay. Once a short circuit at point F on the said line occurs, then the flow of current within the transmission line will increase to an enormous value. So this causes the flow of heavy current through the CT as well as throughout the relay coil and makes the protective relay act by simply closing its contact. Consequently, it closes the tip circuit of the circuit breaker and makes the circuit breaker open and separating the faulty portion of the system. So, in this way, the protective relay protects the healthy system from faulty part. Current setting. It is often desirable to adjust the pickup current to any required value. This is known as current setting and is usually achieved by the use of tapping on the relay operating coil. The taps brought out to a plug bridge as shown in the figure below. The plug bridge permits to alter the number of turns on the relay coil. This changes the torque on the disc and hence the time of operation of the relay. Pickup current. It is the minimum current in the relay coil at which the relay starts to operate. So long as the current in the relay is less than the pickup value, the relay does not operate and the breaker controlled by it remains in the closed position. However, when the relay coil current is equal to or greater than the pickup value, the relay operates to issue a trip of the circuit breaker. Therefore, pickup current is equal to rated secondary current of the CT current transformer into current setting. For example, suppose that an overcurrent relay having current setting of 125% is connected with a CT secondary of 400 by 1 CT. The rated secondary current of the CT is 1 ampere. Therefore, the pickup value will be 25% more than 1 ampere, that is 1 into 1.25 is equal to 1.25 ampere. It means that with the current setting, the relay will actually operate for a relay coil current equal to or greater than 1.25 ampere. PSM. PSM stands for plug setting multiplier. The plug setting multiplier of a relay is defined as the ratio of secondary fault current in relay coil to the pickup current setting. So, PSM is equal to secondary fault current by relay current setting. Now, PSM is equal to fault current in relay coil divided by pickup current is equal to fault current in relay coil divided by rated secondary current of CT into current setting. Pickup current is equal to rated secondary current of CT and current setting. As example, suppose a relay is connected to a 400 by 1 ampere CT and set at 75% with primary fault current of 2400 ampere. Then the plug setting multiplier can be calculated as hereunder. Pickup value is equal to rated secondary current into current setting is equal to 1 into 0.75 is equal to 0.75. Fault current in relay is equal to 2400 into 1 by 400 is equal to 6 ampere. Therefore, PSM is equal to fault current in relay divided by pickup value is equal to 6 by 0.75 is equal to 8. Time multiplier setting TMS. A relay is generally provided with control to adjust the time of operation. This adjustment is known as time multiplier setting TMS. The time setting dial is calibrated from 0 to 1 second in steps of 0.05 seconds. See the figure. These figures are multipliers to be used to convert the time derived from time PSM curve into actual operating time. Thus, if the time setting is 0.1 and the time obtained from the time PSM curve is 3.3 seconds, then actual time of relay operation is equal to 3.3 into 0.1 is equal to 0.33 seconds. For example, in an induction relay, the time of operation is controlled by adjusting the amount of travel of the disk from its reset position to its pickup position. This is achieved by the adjustment of the position of a movable backstop which controls the travel of the disc and thereby varies the time in which the relay will close its contacts for given value of fault current. A so-called time dial with an evenly divided scale provides the adjustment. The actual time of operation is calculated by multiplying the time setting multipliers with the time obtained from time PSM curve of the relay. So this was the subjects of the episode. Thank you for watching this video.